tinkerers. Today let's do a small experiment, very interesting experiment to check whether our body conducts electricity. Okay, so for that we need LED. Okay, this is the 2mm LED, 3mm. We generally any bulb will not work, so we have to use this LED which is there in the kit. Okay, 3mm or 2mm one. Okay, and then I have the 9V power source. Don't connect the 9V power source directly to the LED, it will blow off. Okay, so I will show you how to connect. Then I have the LED holder, then I have the Junior Tinker Lab at Home bits, okay, to make the stand. So let's start. So I will make the LED stand. I will insert this inside this. Okay, next I will insert the focus right here. This goes inside. Okay, and so this is magnetic. So the stand is ready. Now comes the fun part. Okay, let's connect the black one. What will happen? I'll switch it on now. Okay, don't connect this directly. Let's see whether my body conducts electricity. So what happens when I touch this directly and this? Will the bulb glow? So my body is conducting. That's why you should be very careful when you switch on the lights or directly play with those things, because our body conducts electricity. Okay, here I am just using 3 volts and 9 volts, so I will never get a shock. But when you are dealing with the high voltage things, you have to be very careful because our body conducts electricity. So you can ask your friend to hold this, and then you can touch him, and then this starts coming. Right, so now there is no circuit. See, the light is coming like a tap when I'm tapping his hand. So you can actually see how long this circuit can form. You can ask your friends to hold it. Okay, try this. This is very good experiment. Yeah, so instead of this 2mm or 3mm LED, you can use this 4mm one. But when you do this experiment, maybe the intensity would be less, the bulb intensity. Okay, let's check. See, it's glowing, but the intensity is less compared to the 3mm or the 2mm one. See here. Okay, but never touch the 9 volts directly, this will blow off.